Want to lose weight, boost energy, and improve your health, without dieting all day? Then you need to know about intermittent fasting. Let me break it down in simple terms. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's a pattern of eating. Instead of eating all day, you eat during a specific time window, and fast the rest of the time. For example, the popular 16-8 method means you fast for 16 hours, and eat during an 8-hour window. That might look like skipping breakfast and eating only between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. During the fasting period, your body switches from burning sugar to burning fat for energy. This can lead to weight loss, better digestion, improved focus, and even lower risk of diabetes. But remember, it's not just about when you eat, but also what you eat. Choose healthy, balanced meals during your eating window. Thinking of trying intermittent fasting? Start slow, stay consistent, and always listen to your body. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy health tips.